Hello, in this video let's get acquainted how to enable SSO on your team account. We currently support SAML 2.0 and other external providers. You can see them if you click to view instructions on the security page, and then you can click on each of provider to see detailed instructions how to set up that connection. Please keep an eye on this list in the future because we are likely to expand it. Now let's go back to the main security page. By the way, you should have an administrator role to access it. Then you can set up SAML connection. First you need to choose whether it's optional or required for all members. We strongly recommend you to first choose optional and only after testing enable it for the entire team. Next, ask your IT team to set up your organization's IDP solution. The exact steps will vary depending on which identity provider solution your organization uses. But on your end, you need to give them these three URLs: entity ID, consumer URL, and logout. Logout URL is optional, and we know that many providers may not use it, but if they use, please give them logout URL. It will make the SAML connection much easier. Then, when they set up configuration on their end, your IT team need to give you these two sections: sign-in page URL and X.509 certificate field information. So you paste it here, then click to save changes, and after it's done you can go to the login page and test it first yourself, and then set up required for the entire team. That's all I wanted to share with you today. If you still have questions about this page, feel free to contact us at ask@everhour.com or click on the green question mark button to read other support materials.